big sting operation lands 26 people behind bars for their involvement in a massive drug ring. Over the last 8 to 9 months, several undercover Howard County police officers made drug buys from various dealers in Columbia. The officers learned the dealers were being supplied by one man, James Matthews. Police say they tapped his phone to learn more people were involved. Cocaine and prescription pills were involved in the operation. Narcotics detectives shut down the cocaine and prescription pills operation.